Digital storytelling is a creative way telling a story or communicate a message using digital media. There are various digital tools and platforms available to create digital stories. Here are some. Adobe Spark offers tools for creating visual stories. StoryMap JC, which is an open source tool for creating interactive maps and timelines to tell chronological stories. Twine is an open source tool for creating interactive stories or games. It's often used for interactive fiction. Then, Storytelling with Data is a book by Cole Nussbaumer, which provides techniques for telling stories with data, which can be useful for data-driven narratives. Google Tour Builder allows you to create interactive multimedia rich tours using Google Earth. Canva is a design tool that can be used to create visually appealing digital stories through templates, graphics, and multimedia elements. Scrivener is a software which is great for organizing and writing long-form narratives. Piktochart is a tool for creating infographics, which can be an excellent way to present information in a visually engaging way. Prezi is an alternative to traditional slide-based presentations. It allows you to create dynamic, zooming presentations that can be used for storytelling. Storyboard is a tool specifically designed for creating storyboards, which can be helpful for planning out visual narratives like comic strips or animation. iMovie and Windows Movie Maker are video editing tools that are user-friendly for creating video-based digital story. Audacity is useful if your digital story includes audio elements. It is free, open-source audio editing software for recording and editing sound. Medium is a popular platform for publishing long-form written content and can be used for publishing digital stories. Instagram and TikTok can be used for short, visual stories to create and share multimedia content. There are also various mobile apps designed for digital storytelling, such as StoryMap, Storyteller, and Storyo, each with their unique features and focus. The choice of tool depends on your specific needs, the type of digital story you want to create, and your technical proficiency. Many of these tools offer free versions or trials, making it easier to experiment and choose the one that best suits your project. Students can produce a wide range of creative and educational content when using digital tools for digital storytelling. Here are some common types of projects that students can create. Using video editing software, students can produce short films, documentaries, video presentations. They can incorporate visuals, sound, and narration to tell compelling stories. Students can use tools like StoryMap JC to create interactive maps and timelines that visually depict historical events, geographic journeys, or biographical information. With digital comics and graphic novels, students can create digital comics and graphic novels to tell stories in a visual format. Tools like Twine enable students to craft interactive, choose your own adventure stories or text-based games with branching narratives. Students can use podcasting tools like Audacity or Anchor to produce audio stories, interviews, or discussions on various topics. Podcasting allows for creating storytelling through spoken word. Students can create blogs or websites to share their written stories, articles, essays, and multimedia content. Using tools like Canva, Piktochart, or Adobe Illustrator, students can design infographics to present information and data in a visually engaging manner. Students can use platforms like Medium or Adobe Spark to create photo essays, combining images and text to convey a narrative. Using e-publishing tools, students can create e-books or digital magazines that combine text, images, and multimedia elements to share their narratives or research. Students can produce short documentaries or mini documentaries using video editing tools. This can cover a wide range of topics, from social issues to personal profiles. Students can design educational games using platforms like Scratch or Unity to teach concepts through interactive storytelling. Students can use video, animation, and interactive tools to explain scientific concepts and conduct virtual experiments. The use of digital tools for storytelling not only fosters creativity, but also enhances digital literacy, critical thinking, and communication skills. It can be applied in various subjects and allow students to express themselves in unique and engaging ways. For example, in the 8th grade, the students learn about survival in the wild. First, they read the text in their course book, and then they check the meaning of the new words. Then, they make a mind map in their notebooks to outline the story. Afterwards, they were given several options how to use digital storytelling in class with the topic we are currently involved in. The suggestions were to make the following. Number 1, create a survival diary block. So students imagine they are survivors of a plane crash and ask them to create a block in the form of a diary. They can write daily entries from the perspective of a survivor. Encourage them to include text, images, and possibly even video or audio recordings. This exercise can help improve their narrative and descriptive writing skills. Number 2, interactive choose your adventure stories. Students write interactive choose your own adventure story using tools like Google Slides. In these stories, readers make decisions on behalf of the survivors which affect the outcome of the survival. This exercise encourages critical thinking and narrative development. Number 3, using digital tools like StoryMap.js or StoryMap, students can create a digital storyboard that narrates the events of a plane crash survival story. They can include images, maps, text, and multimedia elements to illustrate the survivor's journey. Number 4, storytelling with visual aids. Students can create short digital animations or slideshows that illustrate the key moments in a plane crash survival story. This can help them improve their visual storytelling skills and learn how to complement words with imaginary. Number 5, short films. Students create short films or video presentations that depict the survival story after a plane crash. This exercise incorporates elements of script writing, acting, video editing, and storytelling through visuals. Digital storytelling in the context of plane crash survival not only enhances language skills, but also encourages empathy, problem solving, and a deeper understanding of the topic. It engages students by allowing them to become active participants in the learning process.